Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a tutorial on Keap. So first off guys, you have to click on try free. Wait a little bit guys. So here we'll be asked to enter our business email. So why isn't it? So here's my business email guys, you have to enter yours too. After that, enter our first name. My first name is Ned and last name is Tech. You have to also enter your phone. If you see these red stars, that means that it is necessary to enter the information. And also in the end, enter our password. So here, Keap is building our app. Welcome to Keap. Just wait a little bit guys, don't rush the things guys. Here's even a fun fact. Did you know that Keap customers save 10 hours a week on average according to a Keap customer survey? So guys, by this you can get to the conclusion that Keap is a reliable company. Oh, so here it loaded. Just wait a little bit guys. Here it is spinning guys, as you can see. It's asking if we like to save our info, our login info, but we don't want this. We just want to go in, and you see that guys that we're on the dashboard page. Here, what brought you here, Ned? And let's say that we would like to start an automation. We would like to get our things done easier. So first off, there's a tutorial. We don't need this tutorial things because I'm here to tell you guys. So first off guys, these are templates for automation. Here's like a free consultation, automation, an invoice reminder, landing page leads, ask new customers for a review, follow up. Like we can do this when a purchase is made, and wait, we can customize these things. Here's at the automation tab. Here are the easy automations and the advanced automations. And for now we don't need these things. Here, after clicking on our home section, we can see our dashboard and our trial guide. So here at the dashboard we can see how much contacts do we have, how much leads, clients, repeat clients, sales, quotes, invoices, and broadcasts we have. There's a recent activity tab also, task tab, appointment tab, reviews tabs, email health, and we can share our feedback. Here's our trial guide. We don't really need this guys, but here at the dashboard we can see these things. We can add a contact if we'd like to. Like the contact can be the contact's name can be like first name Steven, last name Adams. We can enter its email, its company name, his phone, its phone, and we can add a note and select what type of phone does it use, like a work phone, a home phone, a mobile phone, or other. We can also set the client as a lead, as a client, or other. I'll just set him as a client and save the information. So here is it. We can send him a follow-up email, and we can invite him to meet, or we can add him to another contract, but we don't need that right now. We can also see here our contacts. Here are them. Steven Adams and Netek. Netek are Netek is me right here. We can email him, tag him, note him, add him a task, but we don't need this right now. We can also create a task right here. We can just name it, I don't know guys, like brushing the floor. We can set a due date, we can set reminders, we can add notes and associate a contact with the task. Like let's say that this task is for Steven Adams, guys. Just click on save and we'll see where are the tasks. I think that there should pop here should pop up the task, but I don't know why it isn't popping up. Here at the My Day tab we can see our appointments, we can see our comms, our sales, our marketing, our automation and reports. But let's go to the dashboard again and let's go right here to our sales tab and click on the plus. So right here we can choose how who built us. Let's say that Netek built us. His bill should be up to due by January 24th, and his total due is, can we edit this? I don't, here let's just do this. This is a paper. Yeah, guys, you don't really need this. You can just do this, and after that you can add payment options, you can add notes, add terms, attachments, and whatever you like, guys. And after that you have to click on next and just finish the review. But we don't need that right now. I'm just going to show you the paid plans right now, guys. So just wait a few seconds while the page loads up. Guys, just don't worry. Keep Keap maybe a little bit on the slower loading side, but that's just because of me. So customize our plan. Here are the two. So there are two main plans and there are personalizations for your plan. So we can add we can set our plan to Keap Pro, which is $159 per month, and we can have Keap Max, which is $229 a month, and we can also set the additional contacts we can have. Like if we would like to have 1000 additional contacts, it would be $24 a month. If we would like to have, like, could say 1 million additional contacts, let's say we would have to pay in addition to these $159 a month, we would have to pay $2,480 a month. I think the max is 4 million. And we also can see the additional users. We can have up to, okay, so give me a second, let me just see what is the max amount of users. Okay, I guess it's a big amount. So for 63 additional users we have to pay $87,000 today, because we would have to, so if it's monthly it would be easier, but we'd have to contact the deals, and if we'd like to buy it yearly, it would be much easier. I would just go to the payment tab. So also we can have a local phone number with which would be just $7 a month, and we can have up to, I guess, again 4 million. Yeah, I guess we can have much additional text messages. So that's it, guys. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you. I wish you guys all a happy day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.